Hello. So I hope you liked the last video where we made our fairy wings. I'm toying with a couple of ideas about where to put the fairy. I've actually finished placing and actually attaching the my little animals onto the wreath, and I've attached everything down now, so I've got a couple of decisions to make now about whether and where I attach my fairy onto the wreath. So let's open day 24. I actually can't believe we are on day 24. I'm super excited that we are this close. So let's open day 24. So I've watched the video. I know what's in here, and I'm super excited for this. So we have this really pretty ribbon. Now obviously it's not Christmas, but this is the ribbon that we're supposed to put on our wreath and make a pretty bow. So I won't be putting this on the wreath at the moment, but I will be putting it on at Christmas. So I should pop that in my drawer with my little Christmas decorations, my little hats and my scarves and things. But this is what I'm super excited about. I mean, the ribbon is really pretty, but this is a blend that Philippa designed. And look how pretty this is. So this is for our stash. And Philippa had this made for us specially. And you get to, I didn't realise, there's many things I'm learning, many things that I don't realise, that you can choose your colours, and I think Philippa said World of Wool did it for her, and you choose how many passes, how many times they blend the wool for you and the fibres, and Philippa chose all the combinations and how many times she wanted it blended and things like that, and the fibres and everything. And look how pretty that is. I mean, just look at that. I mean, it's perfect. It matches the wreath, the woodland theme. It's also Christmassy. It's beautiful. I love it. Now, I do have an idea. As soon as I saw it, I had an idea. And I had a couple of ideas, but I've settled on a perfect idea, and it's going to be lovely. If I can pull it off and get it to sort of, it's not super complicated, but if I can get it to sit properly, I've got an absolutely fabulous idea. So I will, I'm going to get on with that, and hopefully it will be the perfect finishing touch to my wreath. So thank you, Philippa. That is beautiful and perfect. You couldn't have picked anything more perfect for the end of my wreath. Wonderful. So I'm going to, because obviously I'm so far behind, I'm going to open day 25 in a second, and we'll do the 2 days, because why not? We'll do the 2 days in one. Give me a sec. Okay. It's kind of a little bit sad, really. We're on the very last day, the very last bag. Not on the last video, because but we're on the last bag. It has been an absolute pleasure, a fantastic experience, and one of the most exciting, or the most exciting felting experiences I have ever done. I've done lots of kits, I've opened lots of felting things, I've had lots of things from World of Wool, and this has been the most exciting thing, by far, hands down, that I have done. So let's open day 25. I have not, because when I watched the video, Philippa said this was a bit of a gift. So let's see what's inside. It's wrapped up, and a little gingerbread tissue. See, I love these extra, I love the extra touches Philippa goes to. It means that little bit more with the extra. What have we got? Oh, how cute. Oh, look. Had to be hiding cow, didn't it? That is so adorable. Can you see? Look, a Scottish coo. Oh my goodness, it's adorable. It says Scottish coo, enamel pin badge, Scottish design, Fife Scotland, we wishes. So, that's the information if anybody wants to go and check them out. That is adorable. That is absolutely adorable. I'm going to stand that with, as I said to you before, I have a little place up here where I stand things so that when I'm felting I can look at pretty things. This tissue is adorable. Oh, do you know what? For Christmas, my favourite things, like my favourite decorations, are gingerbread men. Can you believe that? And it's gingerbread men tissue. I love gingerbread men. Not only do I love making them, but I love little decorations. My favourite Christmas decorations are gingerbread men. How cute is that? How did you know? Oh, look. Oh, it's adorable. Absolutely adorable. I'll watch the video now and then I'll find out who makes this. How adorable is that? It's almost too cute to put your tea on. It is too cute to use. That is absolutely adorable. Thank you so much, Philippa. That is a lovely, lovely gift, a lovely surprise at the end of an amazing advent calendar. And I'm going to keep my tissue. I'm going to save my tissue because that is adorable. So we are not quite finished. I will show you. I will put that lovingly there. I will show you where I've got, and I've finished the assembly. Let me see if I can adjust the camera so you can see. Because, I might have to move my needles that I keep at the top here. Let's see if you can, right now, just bear with me one moment while I get you all into focus. Back in a sec. Okay, I can't actually get, because my camera only goes up so far on my tripod, I can't actually get all of it in shot at the same time. So this is the top half. That will scooch it up. So that's so far we've got. So all of them are on, they're all attached, and I've got my little curly things on, and then that's the bottom. my badger and my hedgehog on. So they're all there. My desk is full of fibre as always. So they're all on. These are attached. I could put some more leaves in here if I wanted to, but I have a couple more things that I want to add that I'm not quite finished with. So I will add those, and then in the next video I'll do like a grand reveal of how it's gonna finally look. So I've got a couple more things that I want to add, and with the yeah, a couple of things I want to do, and then I don't want to spoil it, because I've had a yeah, I've had a nice idea that and then finally what I'm going to do is I'll put my work email in the description, and finally if anybody wants to send me you don't have to, but if anybody wants to send me pictures of their wreaths, I would love to see them. And then I'm going to go searching, and I'll watch Philippa's video, and I will go searching for as many wreaths of your wreaths I can find, and see what other people did. Because I've been desperate to see, but I haven't, because I didn't want to be influenced or to psychologically steal anybody's ideas or anything like that. But I'm not intentional, I would never do it, because I like to design my own things. But you know, when you see something and then you might inadvertently be influenced by something that you didn't even realise you were being. So yeah, after I finish mine, I want to see as many wreaths as I could possibly see. So not this video, but the next video, I'll put up my work email, and then you can send me pictures. I would love to see them. So without further ado, I will wrap this video up, and then on the next video, I'm super excited. But yes, this has been absolutely fantastic, amazing experience. It's something I am so pleased. It's been such a long journey, but the most amazing journey, and something I'm so pleased I did. I've learned so much. My hybrids, I still think my fox's eye, I need to learn a bit more about. I can see things, I can see my journey, it's brilliant, because I can see things that I need to improve on. I can see, like my squirrel hybrid that looks like a fox. I can see my fox that that doesn't quite look. I can see all the things, and yet also I'm super proud, because I never ever would have attempted something like this, and I'm so glad that I did. But anyway, let's get going. I'm so close, I'm so excited. See you soon, everyone. Bye bye.